Freelancing is evolving fast, and in 2025, AI is at the center of that transformation. From automating tasks to reshaping client expectations, artificial intelligence is changing how freelancers work, what skills are in demand, and how projects get done. But is AI a threat or a powerful new tool for independent workers? In this video, we'll break down how AI is redefining freelancing, the new opportunities it's creating, and what you need to stay competitive in the year ahead. Today, we will talk about AI and freelancing, what's changing in 2025. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. AI-powered platforms, a new operating system for freelancing. One of the most significant transformations in freelancing is the AI-driven evolution of platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Toptal. These platforms now rely heavily on AI algorithms to match clients with freelancers, not only based on skills and ratings but also on predictive analytics that estimate project success, tone compatibility, availability, and historical output efficiency. Smart filters use AI to assess writing tone, code efficiency, visual design originality, and communication speed. Freelancers who understand how to optimize their profiles for AI, such as keyword alignment, response behavior, and portfolio tagging, gain visibility over those who don't. Many platforms have introduced real-time bidding tools powered by AI to optimize pricing recommendations. Clients are now served AI-generated comparisons of freelancers, reducing the time spent selecting service providers. The platforms themselves increasingly act as AI-mediated ecosystems, dictating much of the freelancing workflow. Skill demands are evolving, human-AI collaboration is key. 2025 marks a noticeable shift in the types of freelance skills that are most in demand. While traditional gigs such as content writing, graphic design, and data entry are still alive, they now require a degree of AI fluency. For writers, understanding how to use tools like ChatGPT 5.5 or Claude for research, outlining, and ideation is essential. Designers must be fluent in using AI tools like Midjourney and Adobe Firefly, while coders often rely on GitHub Copilot or similar tools for faster development. The key distinction in 2025 is not human versus AI, but rather human plus AI. Freelancers who understand prompt engineering can fine-tune large language models, LLMs, or offer AI-integrated consulting are growing in demand. Hybrid roles such as AI content validators, prompt engineers, AI ethic consultants, and workflow automation specialists are emerging as freelance staples. Traditional freelancers must now evolve into augmented professionals, those who can harness AI to produce better, faster, and smarter outcomes. Pricing and income models, the AI impact on rates. AI's ability to reduce the time it takes to complete tasks has a direct impact on how freelancers price their services. Hourly rates are increasingly being replaced with value-based pricing models or fixed project quotes. In some niches, such as copywriting or simple design tasks, AI-generated outputs have flooded the market, causing downward pressure on prices. However, this has also created an elite class of freelancers who focus on strategy, creativity, and human nuance, elements AI still struggles with. These high-tier freelancers often charge premium rates for being able to guide AI, ensure humanized outputs, or create original brand narratives. Additionally, clients now expect faster turnaround times, which can benefit freelancers using AI tools, allowing them to serve more clients in less time. The challenge is navigating the balance between efficiency and perceived value. Freelancers must now justify why a job that took 3 hours pre-AI and takes 30 minutes now still deserves a similar fee. This is where human value, creativity, and contextual understanding come into play. AI tools in daily freelance workflow. In 2025, freelancers integrate AI at every step of their workflow. Content creators use AI for idea generation, research outlining, and even first drafts. Designers automate mockups, color suggestions, and design iterations using platforms like Canva AI and Figma's new AI features. Developers rely on code generation, debugging, and refactoring tools powered by LLMs. Translators and language experts use AI-enhanced linguistic tools for speed and accuracy. Even video editors benefit from AI-assisted scene selection, captioning, and style matching. Time tracking, invoicing, email writing, project planning, and CRM, client relationship management, have also become AI-powered, offering freelancers greater operational efficiency. The tools don't replace freelancers but serve as intelligent assistants, expanding their capabilities. The key to success lies in strategic integration. Freelancers who understand where AI saves time without compromising quality are the ones who thrive. Client expectations in the age of AI. Clients in 2025 are significantly more tech-savvy. Many come into freelance relationships with the assumption that AI tools will be used to increase speed and lower costs. Some even require freelancers to integrate specific AI software into their processes or ask for transparency in how AI was used in the project. Expectations are higher. Faster response times, 24/7 communication through AI chatbots, near-perfect grammar, original designs, or predictive business insights. This pushes freelancers to constantly upskill and ensure their AI outputs are customized, not generic. In creative fields, clients now seek a human touch in AI-assisted work. Authenticity, storytelling, and emotion are prized more than ever, precisely because AI lacks them. Freelancers must now become educators as well, helping clients understand what AI can and cannot do. Building trust in an AI-centric world involves transparency, ethical use of tools, and clear boundaries between machine-generated and human-refined work. The rise of new freelance niches created by AI hasn't just altered existing freelance categories, it has birthed entirely new ones. In 2025, freelance prompt engineering is a booming sector. Companies are hiring specialists to craft prompts that produce the best results from generative AI models. AI trainers and model fine-tuners are also emerging, especially in industries like healthcare, legal, and finance where domain-specific language matters. Freelancers with backgrounds in psychology and linguistics are being hired to improve AI conversational tone and reduce bias. There's also a rise in AI ethicists and fairness auditors working as consultants. Freelance AI content validators, people who review and fact-check AI-generated content, are essential in ensuring brand credibility. These new niches are lucrative and intellectually demanding, requiring a mix of soft and hard skills that AI cannot replicate. They're opening up career paths for those previously underrepresented in tech or freelancing, such as social scientists, teachers, and legal professionals. Challenges freelancers face in the AI era. Despite the immense opportunities AI brings, it also introduces new challenges. Market saturation is a major issue. Freelancers now compete not just with other humans, but with free or cheap AI-generated alternatives. Intellectual property becomes a gray area when AI contributes significantly to a deliverable. Freelancers face questions such as, who owns the final product? What are the disclosure obligations? In some regions, clients request discounts citing AI usage, assuming the work was less human. Mental burnout is another rising concern, with freelancers constantly feeling the pressure to deliver faster and learn new tools just to stay relevant. Freelancers from developing nations, who previously had a competitive edge due to lower costs, are now competing against AI tools offering similar services for free. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.